Hi, I'm Suganya. I work in an IT recruitment consultancy. It's been 5 years since I'm in Singapore with my husband and my 2-year-old kid. Actually, it is not planned or anything. It's just I just picked it up spontaneously. Like when my son, 2-year-old son, it's all he's a reason behind it. And one fine day, he was like, "Mama, I want soaps, a toy soap, like elephant soap or lion soap." So I searched in Google, where do I get toy soap? Then soap making classes came up. Then I chose Sugar and Spice. I was really attracted by the name of it, first sight. So I chose Sugar and Spice. Initially I chose melt and pour, but I didn't know anything about soap making. Then I read through, and I thought I should start from the scratch. So I chose the cold process soap, basic cold process soap making, and then I just moved on with the other steps. Because my husband uses liquid soap, so I really wanted to learn what is special about liquid soap. So I indulged the class for it. I love this atmosphere. I just love this atmosphere. I feel so relaxed, and the trainees are so adorable. They teach you so well. They're so down to earth, and the products which they use is totally it's all natural, and I really like it. It's chemical free basically. This is my first soap making class. It will be always a special moment for me if I think about it. I'm planning to start a soap making, not a business kind of thing, but I'm planning to indulge something with soap making. So Sugar and Spice is definitely a motivating thing for me. My personal favorite is chamomile. I really like it. It's very mild and it smells really good. I would tell my people or friends, don't go through online things, because you will not learn anything much. What you see is different and what you make is different. So please come to the place so you will learn better. Always learn from the scratch. Always try experimenting it more and more, practice more and more, and then you will grow better. Please come visit Sugar and Spice. It's a lovely place, lovely people. You'll get to learn more about soap making. If you want to be chemical free, please come to Sugar and Spice.